May I come in, sir?
Again. No. Come on.
May I come in, sir?
Wait. First, what you have to do? At least come. Open the door clearly.
Yes.
Come forward. Then ask me.
Yes, sir.
Not from there only. Like, may I come in, sir? No.
Yes.
Come inside first.
Yes.
Okay. Huh. Come.
May I come in, sir?
Yes. Don't show your hand. Just come. Just ask me. Come on.
May I come in, sir?
Yes. Come in. So now, will you show lot of interest and will you perform very well in this interview today?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
How's the confidence?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come on. Go. Yes. Next. Please. Come in. Give me that. Yes. Come in. What's your name?
I am Gururaj Hachadal.
What is your name?
Gururaj Hachadal.
How is your confidence level?
Better, sir.
Better or high or low?
Hi, sir. Hi, better.
High. High better.
Yes.
What is this high better? I have heard this first time.
This is better, more better.
Better. It is like at peak, you want to say.
Yes.
Right. So please come again. The way you are standing, how you are standing. You are coming for an interview. You know, you want job. You want job. You want to become CEO. So do you come like this? You know? Come clearly. Come.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in. So how is your confidence now?
Better, sir.
Better.
Better.
Okay. Will you perform well in this interview today?
Yes, sir.
How will you perform?
So better.
Whatever the question that will be raised on you, will you perform? Will you answer them very clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, come on, go. Next. Come on.
Sir.
Please come in. Where are you going?
Interview.
Which interview? Which interview are you going? PSI interview. Here, PSI selection is not done. Here, PSI selection is not done. Here, we are about to build our confidence. We are trying to build our confidence. So, are you confident enough? Are you confident enough? Heart is beating so speed, right? You don't understand English. English ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So, confidence building ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Right? So, heart beat ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೀಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ. ಸೊ ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಯು? ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್? ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್?
Yes, sir.
Come. Next. Yes, the main candidate who is coming now. Please come in.
May I come in, sir?
Please come in. Krishna.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
My name is
Krishna. Krishna. How is the confidence?
Yes, sir.
What is this? Don't do that. Speak clearly. What is your name?
My name is Krishna, sir.
Why are you coming inside?
Skill improve, sir.
Which skill you want to improve? Soft skills or hard skills?
Hard skills, sir.
Hard skills.
Hard skill.
Hard skills.
Hard skills.
Hard skills.
Hard skills.
You don't want to improve hard skills now. In this interview, we are going to improve our soft skills.
Yes, sir.
Soft
Yes, sir.
skills like communication skills we want to
Yes, sir.
improve.
Yes, sir.
How to face an interview we want to
Yes,
know.
yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
So how is your confidence level?
Full, sir. Curiosity.
Full curiosity. How
Yes.
to face every question that will come to me.
Yes, sir.
So can you come once again properly inside?
Yes, sir.
Again go outside and come properly.
Yes, sir.
Come inside.
May I come in, sir?
Please come in. So are you ready to face the interview now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please come in. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this interview today, I am going to build your confidence, and I have seen you that with low confidence all the time. So you are going to help your own self to build this confidence, because whenever we go to interview, we go anyway, on stage, in college, in school, wherever we go for even presentation, we need to give a self introduction first, and the self introduction starts with our confidence. So we should be very confident before we begin anything. Before we want to give our introduction, we should be very motivated, very confident within ourselves. So now I want you to check whether you are very confident or not. So here I would like to ask Krishna, can you please give an introduction to all of us?
My name is Krishna.
Huh.
Hi friends, all of you.
Come on.
All of you, hi friends.
Huh.
Today's interview,
Huh.
but my personal is information.
Huh.
My name is Krishna.
Huh.
I from Bidar.
Huh.
I study is in competitive IELTS exam, but my passion is teaching skill.
Hmm.
Improve is society how to skill,
Hmm.
but improve teach in school.
Huh.
All of student whole in mm, generally is culture is society how to in manage how to in people to whole connectivity
Huh.
step by step in whole mentally in psychologically all of you normally
Huh.
but
What do
location
you want to say? What do you want to say? You are introducing yourself or you are introducing society? What you are talking about? Yourself or society? Talk about yourself, not
society.
society. So understand the question first. What
Yes,
the
yes.
question was asked? The question was asked to you to introduce yourself.
Yes, yes.
Now be very straightforward to the question.
Yes, sir.
Like your answers should be what the question is about. If you go for the more explanation,
Yes,
then
yes.
the interviewer will not show interest on you.
Yes, yes.
Ha.
Hi, hi friends.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. My name is Krishna. I speak to my personal interview.
Huh.
Yes. Um, I from Bidar. My study in graduation in competitive exams in preparation.
Hmm.
But my personal is interview. But I telling my hobbies is
Huh.
cricket
Okay.
and study.
Okay.
But next newspapers, reading, writing and skills improve. But spoken English, how to skill improve, how to spoken speaking, whole to people. People how to speech stand confidently all whole to is stage courage how to stage
You
courage
want to
very
build
improve.
stage courage.
Yes sir.
You want to build stage courage, right?
Yes, sir.
So for building stage courage, we should start taking action, and without taking action, stage courage will not be built.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
what you have done, you have already taken action.
Yes, sir.
So this is the first step of your life where you are going to build your confidence, your stage courage, your
Yes, sir.
skills of presentation, communication, and all. So I want to know why do you not speak English properly? What's the reason?
My reason sir, English speaking to words or to vocabulary sentence is mistake sir. I vocabulary not looking sir. Vocabulary is curiosity mistake sir, words mistake commonly is mistakes sir. I step by step in works
Huh.
work is step by step practice reading listening and writing and next newspaper reading listening to perfect sir. But I'm not looking sir.
So
Understand sir.
I observed that you are trying the level best to speak in English, but somewhere just because of structure formation, just because of vocabulary, just
Yes,
because
sir.
of lack of practice, you are unable to express your thoughts
Yes, sir.
clearly.
Yes.
So I am sure that you will improve yourself very quickly because already you are very confident person. So it will not take a lot of time for you to learn this language very quickly. So you are going to learn this very quickly. So can you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Sumit. I am from Belgaum and I take admission in Halyal for mechanical engineering.
Okay, you are doing mechanical engineering.
Yes, sir.
I want to know why do you not speak English good?
English does not speak in friends. This is the reason for.
Nobody speaks in English with you. That's the reason that you don't speak in English, right?
sir.
So
Yes,
now
sir.
will you speak or not? Because here we all speak in English and your friends are also trying to speak in English.
Yes.
So this is the atmosphere in which you can start speaking in English. Will you try it or not?
Yes sir.
Will you try?
Yes sir.
Will you try?
Yes sir.
Are you sure?
Yes sir.
Yes, please. Okay, introduce yourself.
My name is Gurraj Hachada.
Huh.
I am from Vijaypur district. I have completed my PUC second year in 81%. I taking admission in KCD college.
So now, is your heart beating so speed?
Yes,
Tell me the truth.
yes.
it is beating so speed. Why? I want to know why. What is the reason?
So first time
You are
experience.
doing this for first time, so
Yes.
that's the reason your heart is beating so speed. That means you are scared.
Yes.
You are afraid now. So this is your first time, and until we start taking action in our life, everything is first time. So once we take action, so that will become next time, and then we gain some experience. So now this is your first time, but tomorrow you are going to gain experience. So do not worry at all. So you will be very confident next time. So this time, whatever you are feeling, just keep it stored in your mind. So let's see the magic next time. Okay, please interview yourself, and you look very confident. You kept smiling.
My name is Karthik.
Hmm.
My form is Jamkandi.
Hmm.
My degree UC complete. Degree admission in Dharwad Degree College.
Hmm.
Classic Degree College.
Hmm.
My father name is Yallappa.
Hmm.
My surname is Kalkor.
Hmm.
My village
Hmm.
Chikkalekki.
Hmm. Okay. So why do you not speak English? What's the reason?
In practice, in
Hmm.
writing,
Hmm.
in listening,
Hmm.
in page courage,
Hmm.
in public speech,
Hmm.
in public speech,
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
page courage,
Hmm.
in business,
Hmm.
help, in
Hmm.
next interview attend,
Hmm.
in development in almost perfectly speech
Hmm.
in college in function
Hmm.
attend in
Hmm.
speech.
Hmm. You want to be hero in your college, and you want to be rich in business, right? So that's why you want to learn English. That is what you wanted to share with us, right? So thank you so much, everybody. And this was your first interview with us, and I hope this went so well. And in next session, definitely now you became familiar with this podcast, sorry, the interview. So now you will be habitual of making this. So thank you all.